subscribe.
Come along, it's time to play. S, T, and U will sing today. Jump, clap, and dance with glee. Let's learn letters 1, 2, 3. S is for squirrel, quick and small. Climbing up trees so nimble and tall. Crunching acorns 1, 2, 3. Let's hop like a squirrel, just like me. S is for tiger, roar, 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 roar. Leaping high, let's count to 4. Pounce and play, run with pride, like a tiger side to side. Oh, 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 oh. U is for unicorn, sparkle and shine. Prancing around in a dance so fine. Gallop, twirl, wave up high, like a unicorn, touching the sky. Oh, oh, oh. V is for vulture, wings so wide. Flying up in the sky with pride. Whoosh, whoosh, round it goes, gliding fast and then so slow. W is for whale, splashing around, blowing water high off the ground. Swish and dive, swim so free, like a whale deep in the sea. X is for X-ray fish, glowing so light. Swimming gently left and right. Float with me side to side, like a fish in the ocean wide. Oh, 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 oh. S-T-U-F-V-W-X we sing today. Learning is fun in every way. Jump, twirl, and dance once more. Come back soon for letters galore. U is for unicorn, sparkle and shine. Prancing around in a dance so fine.